In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Pipedrive. Exporting your data is really important, whether you're doing a backup, sharing information with your team, or moving it into another tool like a spreadsheet or reporting platform. I'll walk you through the most direct way to export your data from inside Pipedrive, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, look over to the left-hand sidebar in your Pipedrive account. You'll see several icons for different sections. Find the icon that looks like 3 dots, often labeled as More. Go ahead and click that. This opens up some additional options that aren't shown in the main navigation. From that menu, choose Export Data. This is the central place where Pipedrive lets you pull information out of your account. Once you're on the export page, you'll need to decide exactly what kind of data you want to export. Pipedrive gives you several categories to choose from. You can export deals, organizations, people, products, or activities. Think about what you actually need. For example, if you're analyzing your sales pipeline, deals might be the best choice. If you're cleaning up your CRM, you might start with people or organizations. Click on the category that matches the data you want. Next, you'll choose the file format. Pipedrive usually offers CSV and Excel. CSV files are great if you want a simple, universal format that works with almost any tool, including spreadsheets and many data platforms. Excel files are perfect if you know you'll be working directly in spreadsheet software and you want to keep things in that environment. Click on either CSV or Excel, depending on what suits your workflow best. After you've chosen the data type and the file format, click the Export button. Pipedrive will now start generating your file. You won't see it instantly. Instead, look for the Generated Exports list on the same page, just below the export options. This is where all of your recent exports will appear. Larger datasets can take a little longer, so give it a moment, especially if your account has a lot of records. Once your export is ready, you'll see it appear in that list with a download option. Simply click Download and your file will be saved to your computer. From there, you can open it, share it, or import it into another system as needed.